Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little Primark haul. Well, I say a little. I got quite a lot of stuff. So I got like makeup, some skincare, etc. I'm going to just like jump into it because I have a lot of stuff. So let's do this. Okay, first I'm going to start off with brushes. I may have got a few. Yeah, I got quite a lot. Because this one here, the angled brow brush, I got these like maybe a year ago or something, and I bought one and I loved it for doing my eyebrows, and it has a little spoolie at the end. See, for my pomades it's just so nice. So yeah, I picked up another few of these. I think I got two of them. Yeah, I got two of them. They look pretty. They've got like nice kind of rose gold kind of detail and stuff like that, and they're £1. So I thought I would try some of the other ones. So I have a powder foundation brush which just looks like this. It's like really soft and they are really good quality. So it's really similar to my Real Techniques ones, so hopefully it's just as good because it is really affordable. Right, next is this eye contour brush which looks like that. It just looks like a kind of angled blending brush. You can never have too many blending brushes. Let's see, how do you open this? Look at him sleeping, how cute is he? Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so comfy. Right. Let's continue. So yeah, this eye contour brush, and it says perfect for blending shadow. It looks like quite a small blending brush because I do have blush. It looks like quite a small blending brush, which is good because I don't have the biggest eyes, so I'm always looking for new blending brushes. So yeah, hopefully that's good. Next I have eyeshadow and concealer brush. Yeah, so again this one was £1 and it looks really good quality. I can't really talk about them much because I haven't used most of them, but yeah, they look good. And this one here is the foundation and concealer brush. This was £1.50. The reason I like this is because I like to put the foundation in the back of my hand and then pick it up with my brush and then dab it around my face and then use like a sponge or whatever just to like blend it down. And then this side is the concealer side, which would be perfect for doing concealer, or it'd be good for doing like a cut crease on the eye. So yeah, £1.50. So cheap. I'm thinking of maybe doing like a testing out Primark makeup or makeup brushes or something like that, just to give them a try, just to see how good they actually are. Right, next is this here, which is PS My Perfect Nude Nourishing Lip Gloss. So it just looks like this. Swatch it in the back of my hand. This one's in colour, oh yeah, Toffee Dip, and it just says intense colour, shea butter and vitamin E. It's really nice colour actually. So it does look quite pigmented for a gloss. Should I put it on top of this? I think that looks really nice. It's not like overly like glossy. I think it really suits this lipstick, which is, it's the MAC one. Burnt Spice, I think it's like the liquid lipstick. My brother got me it for Christmas and I love it. But yeah, I think they two go really nice together. I just wanted a gloss because I have one gloss to my name. I never ever wear gloss, but I kind of wanted to start, you know, experimenting a little bit. There are quite a few colours, but I decided to go quite safe with quite a deep nude. The good thing is it doesn't feel sticky on my lips. That's my pet hate. You know, they like stick together. Ain't good. Right, next is this here, which is the PS False Lash Effect. Extreme length, definition and volume. So it's just like this. And here is the wand. See, to be honest, I like all kinds of wands, wow. And this mascara I've tried probably like 6 times, something like that. And I do like it so far. It doesn't transfer as a waterproof. No, this one isn't waterproof, but I do have a waterproof one. This one's in black, but I do actually really like it. Yeah, I've used it like during the day, and I think it makes my eyelashes look pretty long because I do have pretty short lashes. You can't really tell because I'm wearing fake ones right now, but yeah, they're really quite short. And mascara kind of like makes me feel like a bit more alive when I've got like barely any makeup on for work and stuff. Next is these here, these single shadows. And I've got like plastic over them, so I'm probably going to be here for like 10 minutes to try to open it. So this one is in colour Baked. So let's do a wee swatch. Oh, they feel really smooth. Oh, that looks really nice. It smells really smooth going on. And it is pigmented. It looks like a really nice transition shade. Kind of reminds me of Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek a little bit. Like a little bit more muted. I only picked up a few because I weren't sure how they were like pigmentation wise and stuff like that. They actually do the Z palette as well, so they can actually put the pans in it as well, but I can't remember how much that is. These were only 60p each. So good. Right, this one here is like a shimmer. And again, I can't open it. Oh, don't drop it. Right, oh, this one looks pretty. So this one is colour Sunkissed. I do like how the name is on the bottom of it. Wow. See, for one swipe of that, like, oh, that is a beautiful colour. You can actually use it as a highlight if you've got like a slightly deeper skin tone than me, to be honest. So it's just this one here. Oh, that is really nice. Just looks like a good shimmer. Yeah, definitely so far recommend these shadows. Obviously I can't give like a full review because I haven't wore them in my eyes, seen how they blend or how they mix, stuff like that. But so far so good. Right, this one here, so I only got 3 of these. Kind of wish I got more. Probably gonna go back this week and get more. Right, this one here is called Antique Bronze. Ooh, it's like a nice pink shimmer. Ooh, that is pretty. That colour, I feel like I don't have anything like that, so I'm happy I picked that one up. But yeah, they feel really, really nice. They are pretty pigmented, but I think I'm going to get a few more and buy the Z palette to put them in, and we're good. Next we'll do this. This is the PS Pro Foundation, which is £5. It's a long-wear mineralised foundation with a vitamin A and E. I got colour 00 Porcelain because I'm pale AF. I'm actually wearing this now. Here's the bottle. It actually looks quite expensive. It's like, I don't know, I think it looks like glass but it's not glass. But yeah, this is my second one of this. I really, really like it. I actually have a review on my channel. I'll put it down below if you want to see it. But the colour is really good for me. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I'm like pretty pale. So this suits my skin really well. I'm wearing it on its own now. Sometimes I do mix it to lighten up a foundation, but I do recommend that. Next is this here is the PS Primer Water. It preps skin for makeup application, hydrates and refreshes, and this was £2. So it's just like a clear bottle, kind of like a primer spray, kind of like Fix Plus. So just put it on before makeup. This I haven't tried yet, but for £2 you do get 150 mils. Yeah, because my skin is hella dry, if you don't know that already, but you probably do. Stuff like that, like I love, like see the e.l.f. Mineral Mist, I'm pretty sure it's called. That, see when I put that on before my foundation, it just like gives me like a boost of hydration and I love it. Right, next here is this PS Blending Cleanse Makeup Brush Makeup Brush Cleaning Spray, which was also £2, which looks like this. So I think this is more for like a quick clean in between your brushes, and then do like a deep cleanse at the end of the week or whatever. I do need to wash my brushes more than I do, so I thought if I bought that then maybe it would like remind me to clean my brushes. Next here is this. It's called the Pure Glow Highlighting Palette. Wait till you see this. Like, first of all, the packaging's so cute. Look how pretty this is. First of all, the packaging is just stunning. Just gonna get a wee wipe so I can wash this off all these swatches off my hands so that I can do a few more. Especially with a highlighting palette because it looks so good. I'm actually using these here, the PS Pro Gentle Face Cleansing Wipes for Sensitive Skin. I love these, like I've been using them for like a year and a half. They're just good makeup wipes. I think it's like £2 for £1 packets, which is really, really good. But yeah, let's get back to the highlighter palette because that's what everyone wants to know probably. Right, so first we'll do Desert, which is this colour here. So this is like a really white, look at that though. I feel like, say if you're pale, like I feel like that would go quite nice in my skin tone because I'm so pale. Like honestly, like it pure reflects the light though. Ooh, I like that one. Right, next we will do Eden. So next we'll do Eden, which is this one here. So this one's here. Honestly, both of them do like really reflect. So this one is Eden, so this one has like a little bit more of a pink shine, and then this one's like completely white. So surprised how pigmented these are. So this next one's Glimmer, kind of reminds me of Mary Lou by the Balm, like a little bit. So that's this one here. So I feel like this would look nice if you're like a little bit deeper skin tone than me. I would still wear it though, I don't care. And then this one here is called Firefly, which see if you deeper skin tone. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. Can we like just explain how? Look, I would probably use that as a shadow. This looks so good. I'm gonna do a video on just this and so beautiful. Packaging, everything, the colours, pigment. Right, next, only a few more things left. Right, this here is the PS Love to Go Clay Cleanser with pink pomelo, don't know what that is, and pomegranate. So it purifies and detoxifies and is nourishing and energising. So it just looks like this. Quite cute packaging. This was £2 or £3. Like everything on Primark is really affordable, as you guys probably know. So let's see the back. A cream to foam cleanser to help detoxify and purify skin for a fresh and glowing complexion. Ooh. So I could maybe do like a skincare video trying this and the next product out if you would like. Let me know, as always. Right, and next is this PS Live to Glow, so it's the same kind of collection, but this one is a moisturiser. But again, the packaging, how cute is it? So this was £3, and once again they're so hard to get into. Oh, honestly this packaging looks so nice though. Look how creamy that looks. This is it here, so it's just like a little glass jar. I think it's like fake glass, like the foundation bottle. I'm gonna smell it. It smells so fresh. It doesn't have like a strong like smell of something particular. I think it's just like a mixture of stuff. But yeah, it smells so fresh. I love moisturisers. They're like my thing to get my skin, like my dry skin, all nice and hydrated. Is that everything? I think that's everything. As usual, probably forgot about 10 things. This video was like so fun to film because I love Primark and it's so affordable, and they've like upped the game of like makeup and skincare, and it's affordable, so it's like even more affordable than like drugstore. Right, thanks a lot for watching guys. If you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you next time. Right, bye.